Hey y'all, welcome back. Let's talk about the Apple AirTags. Today I'm going to discuss some uses for these things. It's $29 for one or $99 for a pack of four last I checked. Let's go ahead and check it out. So whenever you take it out of the box, there's a little tab that you got to pull on that pulls out from beneath the battery and the connections, and then it'll activate the AirTag. Have your iPhone next to it. It needs to be the latest version of the iOS to work with the AirTag. And all you got to do really is you just put it up right next to the AirTag, and then you'll get a prompt on the screen like that one right there. And just follow the directions. You can put in, it's got some preset ideas of what you could name it. You can name it something custom like I did with mine. Then it'll have you register it and you're pretty much ready to go. So let's talk about some ideas on what you could use it for. You can use it in your laptop bag, keep track of that. You don't know if you had it in the car or in the house, what room in the house. So that's kind of nice to have. Also, if it were to ever get stolen, if you hide it really well, you have a much better chance of recovering it. Another use is using it in a backpack. Whether you go to school or you're going hiking, there's numerous applications there. Next, how much do you hate the airlines losing your luggage? When it's so bad that there's pretty much memes about it, yeah, it's a problem. It's a problem. Stick one of these puppies in your luggage, and if it gets lost, you have a much better chance of finding it. Because I really want to know, where does all our missing luggage go? Does it go home with some random person? Or does it go to a special place in the sky? I don't know. Moving on, you can put this in recreational vehicles like a four-wheeler, ATV, UTV, side-by-side. You know, those are the same names. You guys are smart, you know. You can put them in golf carts. You can put them in all kinds of stuff. Hide them well, I would say. Again, if they get stolen, your chances of recovering them is increased. And for that matter, even with cars. Someone else is driving your car, or if it's got stolen, whatever, you want to see where it is. Hide that puppy well, much better chance of getting it back. And my favorite part of putting it in your car is, have you ever gone grocery shopping and you come out and you say, which lane did I park in? You know, I'm in my 30s and I do this way more often than I'd like to admit. It's not just age, it's just people in general, or at least that's what I like to think, and it makes me feel better about myself. But anyway, finding your vehicle where you parked when you get out of the grocery store may be the single best thing about the AirTag. Another great use is, do you have some expensive tools, let's say? Do they grow legs from time to time? If it's big enough, hide one of these puppies somewhere in there and maybe you can track it down. Another great use is camera bags, keeping track of them puppies. I feel like everything I'm talking about is if it gets stolen, your chances are increased of it finding, but that really is true. I mean, it's a big part of the reason why you want to track something is to be able to find it. I don't know, I'm rambling. I'm gonna move on. One creative way to use these things is for a high-tech treasure hunt or even geocache. This could be a blast. You put these puppies on, maybe you get the 4-pack for $99, and you hide a few things throughout your yard, especially if you live in rural areas or out in the country, and you can go vast. Hand the phone over to a friend or a family member and say, now you gotta go find it. But when you hide it, you gotta be creative. You can't just set it on a stump or something. You gotta hide it well. Last but not least, of course, your keys. How many times do we complain about, where did I put my keys? Bye, see y'all later, I'm heading out the door. Shoot, where'd I put my keys? Yes, it happens. It happens. I bought a 2-pack of these puppies, came with red and black, and I like how you put it on, you just, right there, you know, making all the sound noise. The reason I bought these puppies were because $29 is the price for one, right? Apple wanted $35. And I said, it's the principle. I can't justify spending more for the holder than the device. So I went on Amazon and I found some decent little puppies and I got these here. Comment down below. Let me know some uses you think that these things would be good for. Some things that I didn't cover in this video. If you have any questions about it, shoot me a comment down below. If you hit a like on this video, it really helps me out. Maybe hit that subscribe button. Keep coming back. We'll catch you next time. In the meantime, thank you guys for everything. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.